Hi, my name is Matthew Morgan and I work with Master Services. We're down here in Chattanooga today. Right here you can see we got some stair-stepping cracks where it has settled, and it is stair-stepping off to the side. We're going to install some piers today. We're going to drive them in the ground up to 2,000 psi, and then we're going to start bracketing them up and put them up and see what we can do to this foundation. The way the brackets and the piers are installed, we take a flight, it's got a double flight, and we drive them and it drills all the way down into the ground. Drills down into 2,000 psi, we can reach about any depth that's possible. Now over here we reached about 30 foot, and after they reach down to that depth, we cut the pipe and we have a bracket. It's an L bracket that goes up and under the footer, so whenever you place it in, it goes up and under. And then we go and we mount it and we start putting pressure onto it with impacts and pumps and try to start putting the foundation back to where it goes. Alright, now that we have all our stuff installed and pressurized, now we're going to go ahead and start backfilling and getting the dirt back to a rough grade. Now that it's stabilized, it should be good for years to come. Thank you, and this is Matt Morgan with Master Services.